Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable BigQuery data lineage with data catalog, complete guide step by step clearly. First, sign in to your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery section. Select the project for which you want to enable data lineage. In the BigQuery interface, locate the dataset you wish to analyze. Click on the dataset to open its details. In the dataset details, find the option for Data Lineage. Click on Enable Data Lineage to start the process. Next, visit the Data Catalog section of your Google Cloud Console. Once in Data Catalog, click on Create Entry. Choose BigQuery as the entry type. Fill in the necessary fields, including the dataset and table names. Select the appropriate tags for your data structure. Click Create to save the entry in Data Catalog. Return to BigQuery and go to the Data Lineage tab. Here, you can visualize the data flow within your project. Examine the source and destination of your data. Utilize the filtering options to focus on specific datasets or tables. Explore additional information presented in the Lineage view. Ensure your permissions allow access to view data lineage. For comprehensive monitoring, consider setting up alerts. Use the Data Catalog APIs for automation and integration. Regularly review and update data lineage configurations. This will help maintain an accurate understanding of your data flow. Now, your BigQuery data lineage with Data Catalog is successfully enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.